Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a heartfelt card using the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper, the Peaceful Garden Glimmer paper, the Peaceful Greenery 3D embossing folder, and the Peace on Earth stamp set and die bundle, okay? So we're gonna do our project, but before we get to that, we're gonna go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Fall for Toile paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 elegant cards. Cajun Craze is the stamping spot. This kit is going to coordinate with the Autumn Toile Suite collection that's going to be in the upcoming mini catalog September 3rd. Circle of the Seasons add-on dies available for $12, item number 167277. Link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program, where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping, redeem rewards on future orders, track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account, and rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date. Next, we have our in-color sale going on until the 31st of August. We have the 2025 to 2027 in-color products on sale for 15% off. That includes ribbons, papers, embellishments, some kits, some designer series papers, anything that includes these particular in-colors on sale until August 31st, 2025. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project. So I have a card base here of pecan pie. This is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5. I've gone ahead and decorated the inside with some cloud cover that is 5 by 3 3/4, basic white 3.5 by 4 3/4, a strip of designer series paper that's 3/4 of an inch by 3.5, and I die cut a stem from the some greenery from the die set using the glimmer paper and attach that with the adhesive sheets. Okay, so we're going to start with some stamping. We're going to stamp our sentiment in Secret C, and it says Heartfelt Prayers. We're going to stamp this right in the middle. And I'm trying to think, there's a set that's also available in the scrapbooking area, and I wanted to see if I might decorate using this. I didn't plan on that, but we're gonna see. So I have a die here. We're gonna die cut this out using our die. So we get some washi tape to hold this, because I want to make sure, try to get it straight. You guys know me in straight though, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best. So let me get my Stampin' Cut Emboss machine. This is the mini. We're just going to run this through really quick. Okay, so we have this die cut out. Take this off carefully, put it to the side. So I'm thinking I want to decorate this label, and I might want to use something that's in here, like this little floral. I'm not sure. I was just thinking that floral element really looks pretty. So let's see. Maybe I'll do it with the flowers. There's some other little flowers, but I like this little floral garland. So let me see if I can get this on here in some kind of way. Let me see. We can use cloud cover ink. Where's my paper? Get some scrap paper here, because we're probably going to go over the edge. And I just want to see how this cloud cover is going to, how dark it's going to be. because my stamp is bigger than my ink block, I'm putting the ink to the stamp instead of the stamp to the ink. That's kind of dark, so maybe we want second generation. Let's see what Misty Moonlight looks like. I don't have a good, I don't ever have a good outcome using these felt on the photopolymer. So I think I like the Misty Moonlight. And we're gonna do the stamped off, the second generation. So we're gonna stamp it onto our scrap paper. Then I'm gonna try to get it right here. Ooh. Oh, guess what? We're getting another one. Let me get another piece of paper. We're gonna start over. So let's just go ahead and stamp off. Stamp that right there. Then we're gonna get our Heartfelt Prayers. I'm gonna stamp that. Is that getting lost in there? Okay, I'm gonna see. Third time's the charm, right? Let's see if I stamp off twice, how this will look. Heartfelt Prayers. Oh, that's better. So we need to stamp off twice. Okay, close up our ink. And we're gonna run this through the machine again. Okay, so we have this die cut out. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so now we can start putting our card together. So I have some of the glimmer paper here, and this glimmer paper, what size is this glimmer paper? 5 1/4 by 4. Then I have a 5 3/8. No, 5 by 3 3/4 of the cloud cover. Ooh, and I ran that through the Peaceful Greenery 3D embossing folder, and we're going to adhere these two pieces together. And so as you can see, I did die cut the inside piece here from here, and I die cut one of the labels that we're going to layer our sentiment on. So before I do that, I have some designer series paper I want to adhere. So my designer series paper here is 3 3/4 by 2 1/2. Ooh, that's pretty too. Now I might be changing my design. No, I'm not. Oh goodness, that's a lot of glue. This glue is coming out too fast. Okay, we're gonna adhere this right on the edge of this. Yes, I am covering up some of the embossing, but that's okay. So I'm covering that up just a little bit. Now we can glue this down to our glimmer paper. Oh my goodness, look. I don't know why so much is coming out, because I just need it on the edges, because we have holes. We don't want to get glue on my desk, my work surface. Did I? Just a little. Just a little. Then we're going to put this onto our card base. Now I will put glue everywhere. I'm going to sit this right on our card base. And you might be wondering, why did she use pecan pie with that? If you see on the designer series paper, there's pecan pie like vines or branches going through here. A little too much glue. Okay, and I did die cut this, as you've seen, out of that. And we're gonna pop this right here. And our sentiment is gonna be here. And I'm trying to decide if I want some ribbon. because I'm trying to use ribbon more. So we have this ribbon that comes in this suite. It's the silver edged ribbon. It's Misty Moonlight. I'm trying to decide if I want to use this. Why not? We have it, so let's use it. Why not? I'm just gonna make a little zigzag like I do. Get some tearing tape here. Put that across. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this down flat to this, the embossed piece. Just line it up right where it goes in that little section there. Then we're going to put our ribbon on. Like this. I'm going to put another piece of washi tape over it. That's just going to help hold it down. And then I think I want to pop this part up. So let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to put some dimensionals on the back of this. I'm going to use a lot because I have that tearing tape on there and I don't want any part to get stuck flat down because of that tearing tape. But it will connect to the dimensionals and help hold it down there. So yeah. And you guys know I like using a lot of dimensionals anyway. That's why I decided to cut them in half, because I use so many. I just thought that would be, look at me, that would be a good idea. That way 2 dimensionals is really only 1. But of course, when you make your card, you don't have to use as many dimensionals as me. You don't even have to pop it up at all. It is your choice. But I like dimensionals, so I'm going to use them. Okay. We're going to layer this over. Try to get it centered on here. Centered and straight would be a good idea. We would like both. Just like that. And lastly, we're going to add some gems. Where are my gems? We have the Hues of Blue flowers. This is part of the suite. We're going to put a couple of these on here. Get my Take Your Pick tool. We're going to add a couple of these gems. You know what? I'm going to do some small ones so I can put them right here. Like that. Then I'll do one big one. Where do I want this big one? Let's put it over here. Right here. I never know where to put them. Never know. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. I love this card. I love this suite. You guys might get tired of it because I'm gonna use it a lot. I love it. This is our card. Isn't that cute? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.